Hi guys, how are you? I hope all the people have very well, and it's Christmas time, so people have enjoying and marketing to buy many present for their close person to give that. Also make the cake, many things. No, anyway, long time after I'm come back because I'm going to the vacations in Barcelona. It's a beautiful place, beautiful city, really amazing. I enjoy too much in Barcelona. Then after my vacations, I came back to the Buenos Aires, but I don't have time to make the video because I'm too much busy with my work. So I'm thinking that it's a Christmas time, it's the festival time, so I can make that the video how to make that the Christmas cake. But it's different than others. It's a Christmas English cake. First of all, I'm say to the something about the this cake. This cake, the measure is that the every measure is the equal. Okay, if you take 200 gram flour, so the same measurement you take that the butter 200 gram, 200 gram sugar, 200 gram eggs. So it's called that cuatro cuatro. Okay, I hope all the people will be watch the video and enjoy my video, and then you can prepare in your home the Christmas cake and enjoy all the people in the family to have a Christmas cake. And obviously I need to say to that, enjoy the festival, enjoy the Christmas. Okay, yes, of course this is the festival for Christian people, but I'm tell you, enjoy the all the people, all the religion together. Okay, it's a festival. Okay, don't thinking the religion. Think that the festival and enjoy. Life need to have a enjoy. I understand when I'm going to the Barcelona, I saw that the how is the people enjoy their life there in Europe. Really, really, it's amazing. Many things I learned there. I will share to some videos one day in Barcelona. So maybe you have like that. Many people going that also, but it's different. So no more. It's too much, no, to speaking, but it's okay. So let's start to have our Christmas cake. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this is my garden, also my backyard. Let's go to make the Christmas cake. In Argentina, not to make that the Christmas cake. There, here is the make that the Christmas bread. It's different. It's called that pan dulce. But I make the cake. The cake and pan dulce, the bread is different. Okay, so let's start.
Now I prepare the mold. So I take a one aluminum sheet and cover up the mold. Then I brushing the butter all over the mold. Now I cover up the butter paper all over the mold. Then I add the butter and brushing again. Now ready to our mold. So now going to the inside the refrigerator to have a cold the mold. Here all the ingredients. So all the ingredients, how is the measurement, I take that, I keep to the description box all the recipe, please check it. Now I add the butter inside the bowl and beat very well. Now I add the sugar and beat the butter with the sugar until light and fluffy. I'm continue beating butter and sugar and also gradually add the eggs one by one at a time and beating well. I am so sorry I don't showing you how to I add the eggs. I have a forget. So now I add the 2 tablespoon vanilla essence. Now I add the liquor 2 tablespoon and continue mix well. Before 5 days ago I mix all the dry fruits in a box, pour the alcohol and mix well and cover it. Let it soak. Now I add the all the dry fruits into the batter and mix very well. Now I add the all the dry ingredients, cinnamon powder or cannella powder, now nutmeg powder, baking powder and flour. So all the dry ingredients now I mix with the spatula. Don't forget to add pinch of salt. It's necessary. Now our batter is ready. Before going to baking, first I need to dusting with the flour in our mold.
Now I looking at the my oven how much temperature. I do the preheat. Is necessary to preheat the oven 170 degrees centigrade to 180 degrees centigrade. Okay, so now I check that my oven how much the temperature.
So our oven is ready, and now I add the batter inside the mold. So our batter is ready to go the oven and bake 30 to 40 minutes 170 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius.
So 40 minutes is complete. So let's check the cake how is the cake is baking. Okay,
So let's see how to our cake baking. So I getting out the oven our cake and check now the cake is already baked well or not. If needed to have a little bit more time, so we can check. No, it's already well baked and no have a moisture. So our Christmas cake is ready. So now I showing you how to open the cake. So ready our Christmas cake to have a enjoy with friends and families.
so enjoy the Christmas and uh, New Year, okay, with friends and families. So happy Christmas and happy New Year, okay, all my subscribers and all my friends and all the guys. Okay, let's we will see in next video. Okay, so take care and enjoy the new year.